Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Quinton. This is the Liftmaster 1/3 horsepower, and everybody's trying to move to a new house. All right. Now let's go ahead and close the door. This is my grandpa's garage. She's at a cooking place. She did a cooking class. Now let's open it back up. Sorry, my grandma was just talking to me it's just my grandma talking to me about my sister. Where's my sister? She is probably at a cooking class. Hold on, YouTube. I'm gonna bring the stuff to their new house, because we have to move to a new house.
Oh, you're carrying a bag. That's good, Quinn.
Where? Where should we put it?
Put it on the ground.
Put it on the ground.
Okay, so how about you?
I'm video recording right now.
All right. Why don't you wrap up the video recording?
Okay. I'm gonna help my dad move some stuff because my grandpa is moving to a new house. So thanks for watching about this video about the Liftmaster 1/3 horsepower chain drive garage door opener. And see you on the next video until we find out what the new house looks like. This is a one-piece door. Well, thanks for watching. Well, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.